In this video, we're diving into whether Typeset AI can replace a human copywriter. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter business decisions and build your digital presence. Typeset AI is supposed to be an all-in-one writing and design tool that can produce everything from eBooks and presentations to social media posts with minimal input. We're going to explore its features, test its strengths and limitations, compare it with traditional copywriting, and help you decide if it's the right tool for your content needs. What is Typeset AI? Typeset AI is a cloud-based platform that combines AI writing with design. Its core feature, called Co-Author AI, promises to write and design your content in 3 simple actions. You provide a brief or outline, it generates text and layout suggestions, and then you export the finished product. Typeset leverages AI to generate copy, select appropriate images from integrated libraries like Getty, and create layouts that are visually appealing and on brand. The tool can produce ebooks, white papers, presentations, webinars, social media graphics, YouTube thumbnails, and more. Key features: AI-powered content creation. Typeset's Co-Author AI uses natural language processing to generate copy based on your prompts. You can provide a short blurb and the AI will expand it into complete sections. The generated text is coherent and formatted to suit the output type, such as an article or a slide deck. Design automation. The tool automatically applies layout designs to your content. It offers templates with modern typography, color schemes, and spacing. You can customize the style to match your brand using brand settings for fonts, colors, and logos. Content repurposing. Typeset excels at turning existing content into multiple formats. For example, if you upload a blog post, it can convert it into a PDF guide, a series of social media graphics, or a webinar slide deck. This repurposing saves time and extends the reach of your ideas. Asset libraries. Typeset integrates libraries of stock images, icons, and illustrations, so you don't need to leave the platform to find visuals. Premium plans offer access to Getty images. Collaboration and workflow. The platform allows multiple team members to collaborate in real time. You can assign tasks, comment on sections, and track changes. It also includes version control, so you can revert to earlier drafts if needed. Export options. Once your content is ready, you can export to various formats, including PDF, PowerPoint, HTML, and MP4 videos. This flexibility lets you deliver your content across multiple channels without recreating it. Why people consider AI copywriters in the first place. So there's a growing trend toward using AI for copywriting because it promises faster output and cost savings. Traditional copywriters bring creativity, nuance, and strategic thinking, but they also require time and budget. AI tools like Typeset aim to fill the gap between high-quality content and efficiency. They're particularly appealing for small businesses that need marketing materials quickly or for marketers who manage multiple projects at once. Potential benefits of Typeset AI. Speed. The AI can generate long-form content in seconds. This is valuable when you're under tight deadlines. Consistency. Typeset helps maintain a consistent tone and style across different formats. Once you set your brand preferences, the tool applies them universally. Accessibility. You don't need design or copywriting expertise to produce professional-looking materials. Typeset handles both the writing and the layout. Scalability. Because it generates content quickly, you can create multiple pieces in less time. This is useful for large campaigns or agencies managing a lot of clients. Cost effectiveness. Compared to hiring an in-house writer and designer, Typeset can be a lot cheaper, though there's still a subscription fee. Putting Typeset AI to the test. Here's how the process unfolds. Step 1, provide context. So Typeset then asks for your input. You can paste an outline or simply a paragraph describing the ebook's purpose and audience. The more detail you provide, the better the AI can tailor the content. Step 2, generate copy. Once you submit your brief, Co-Author AI drafts the ebook's sections. An introduction, chapters on building a list, crafting compelling subject lines, segmentation strategies, and analytics. The AI writes these sections in a friendly, explanatory tone. You can adjust the length and tone before you move on. Step 3, design and layout. Typeset then proposes a layout with a cover page, table of contents, chapter headings, and images. You can scroll through design templates and select one that suits your brand. If you have saved brand presets, the tool automatically applies your colors and fonts. You can replace stock photos, rearrange blocks, or insert your own images. Step 4, refine and edit. After reviewing the AI's work, you might tweak the copy. For example, you can add case studies, ensure the language aligns with your brand voice, or insert call to action sections. You can also adjust the the design, maybe swap an image or change the spacing. The interface allows drag and drop adjustments similar to building a slideshow. Step 5, export. When you're satisfied, choose your desired output. Export a PDF for your lead magnet, then repurpose the same content into a presentation and a series of infographics for social media. With a few clicks, your ebook becomes a webinar slide deck and a set of Pinterest pins. Strengths of Typeset AI. Time savings. Typeset dramatically reduces the time required to produce polished content. Traditional processes might take days or weeks, involving multiple rounds of drafts and design revisions. Typeset condenses this into a single workflow. Brand consistency. The ability to set brand guidelines ensures that all assets, whether they're ebooks, webinars, or social media posts, maintain a cohesive look and feel. This consistency is key for building brand recognition. Versatility. The platform handles a wide range of content types. If your marketing plan spans blogs, email sequences, webinars, and social posts, Typeset can help repurpose core ideas across formats without starting from scratch. Collaboration. Built-in collaboration tools allow multiple stakeholders to work on the same project, comment, and approve. It's particularly useful for remote teams or agencies coordinating with clients. Integrated assets. Access to stock images and icons within the platform saves you from hunting down visuals. The ability to use Getty's library in higher plans reduces licensing headaches. Limitations of Typeset AI. Learning curve. Now, despite its simplified process, there's still a learning curve. Understanding how to structure your brief, tweak AI-generated text, and adjust design elements takes practice. If you're new to content creation, the interface could feel overwhelming. Generic tone. While the AI produces coherent copy, sometimes it can sound generic. It lacks the personal anecdotes, cultural references, and creative flair that a human copywriter brings. This generic tone can make your content feel a bit less unique. Limited creativity. Typeset follows templates and patterns. If your brand requires highly creative or unconventional content, the AI may not deliver on originality. You'll likely need to intervene manually to inject personality and narrative storytelling. Subscription cost. While Typeset can replace some freelance costs, the subscription isn't free. So if we go ahead and click on the link down in the description, you can get started with Typeset, and we'll go ahead and take a look at their pricing here. So you can either choose annual or monthly, and you're gonna go ahead and save 20% with the annual plan. So they've got the basic and the pro plan. On the annual plan, the basic plan is $17 per month billed yearly, and that gives you 35 projects, full sharing, decks and documents. You don't get the social media and graphs. You get 5 million Unsplash image library. You don't get the 100 million Getty images library. You do get the AI assistant. You do get the PDF export, but that's it. You don't get PNG or PowerPoint export. The pro plan gets you everything, and that's $31 per month billed annually. It's important to weigh this against the value you'd get from hiring a writer and a designer. Typeset AI versus human copywriter. All right, let's compare these key aspects. Creativity. A human copywriter brings originality and can craft nuanced messages that resonate emotionally. Typeset AI offers efficient but formulaic writing. Use it for straightforward content, but rely on humans for brand storytelling. Speed. AI wins in speed. If you need a basic brochure or slide deck in minutes, Typeset excels. Human writers take longer, but their work may have a deeper impact. Cost. Typeset is way cheaper, especially for volume production. Human copywriters charge per project or per word. For startups or small businesses with frequent content needs, Typeset could be more cost effective. For premium creative campaigns, human writers justify their fees. Consistency. AI remains consistent across documents. Human output can vary depending on mood, workload, and experience. For large teams, the consistency factor might be a reason to incorporate Typeset into the workflow. Flexibility. Humans adapt tone, style, and context to different audiences. Typeset follows patterns and requires detailed prompts to adjust. If you need personalized content for different buyer personas, humans provide more flexibility. Practical scenarios. When might Typeset AI be useful? All right, so here are some scenarios. Small business owners who need marketing materials but don't have the budget for copywriters and designers. Typeset covers multiple content types, saving money and time. Content marketers managing multiple channels. Repurposing blog posts into ebooks or webinars becomes much faster. Educators creating course materials. Typeset can turn lecture notes into polished slide decks and downloadable guides. Agencies producing client reports and presentations. Typeset ensures on-brand designs without endless endless back and forth with designers. Conversely, if you're crafting high-stakes brand messaging or storytelling campaigns, then hiring a human copywriter is likely a better choice. They'll bring the nuance and personality that AI can't replicate. Tips for using Typeset AI effectively: provide detailed prompts, edit for personality, use brand presets, repurpose strategically, proofread carefully, combine with human input. So Typeset AI is a powerful tool for producing polished content quickly. It's most valuable for businesses that need high volumes of marketing materials and want to maintain brand consistency. Now, while it can't fully replace a human copywriter, it can handle straightforward tasks and provide a solid foundation for more personalized editing. For anything requiring depth, storytelling, or a unique voice, collaborate with a skilled copywriter to ensure your message resonates. So if you want to get started with Typeset AI, just click the link down below in the description to get started. This is an affiliate link, which means that we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.